The market doesn't wait for the morning to tell its story. Sometimes the truth leaks out in the dark, long before the bell rings. Tonight is one of those nights. Overnight trading has opened, and the whole market is still bleeding. Futures are red, sentiment is cracked, and every trader staring at their screen is asking the same question. Why is everything still crashing? And why in the middle of all this is Take-Two Interactive somehow green? Let's break it down. 1. Why the market is still crashing overnight. When you see futures falling this hard, this consistently, it's not about one headline. It's not about one earnings report. It's not even about one sector. It's about fear. Broad, heavy, macro fear. Big tech has been taking hit after hit. Microsoft, the giants have been stumbling. And when the giants fall, the whole market feels the tremor. Overnight trading amplifies that fear. There's less volume, fewer players, and every move looks bigger than it really is. It's like watching shadows on a wall. Everything looks taller, darker, more dangerous. But the direction? That's real. The market is nervous, and nervous markets don't sleep too. So why is Take-Two green? Here's where things get interesting. While the entire market is sliding, Take-Two Interactive, a gaming stock, is ticking up, not by much, not enough to call it strength, but enough to make people wonder whether it's a sign. It isn't. Take-Two isn't moving because the market is recovering. It's moving because gaming has its own story tonight. Industry news, sector-specific catalysts, expectations around upcoming releases. These things can nudge a stock even when the rest of the market is drowning. A single green candle in a sea of red doesn't mean hope. It means noise. It means this stock is reacting to something different than the rest of the tape. And that's important. But it's not predictive. 3. Does Take-Two going up mean the market might bounce today? Short answer. No, a mid-cap gaming stock is not a market indicator. It doesn't lead the S&P. It doesn't predict the open. It doesn't tell you whether tomorrow will be green or red. It tells you one thing. Take-Two has its own story tonight. The market has a different one. And the market story is heavier. 4. What this means for the day ahead. When futures crash overnight, it usually means the market will open weak. Not always violently, but weak. The direction tends to be right. The size of the move is what changes. But here's the part most traders forget. The open is not the truth. The reaction is. The first 30 minutes tomorrow will tell you everything. Do buyers step in? Do sellers double down? Does the market shrug off the fear? Or does the fear become the story of the day? Overnight trading is the whisper. The open is the voice. The reaction is the truth. 5. The noir finance takeaway. The market is crashing overnight because the giants are bleeding, because sentiment is fragile, because fear is louder than logic right now. Take-Two's little green flicker. That's not a signal. That's not a prophecy. That's not the market showing you its hand. It's just a candle in the fog. Bright but meaningless. If you want to know what tomorrow brings, don't look at Take-Two. Look at the tape at 9:30 Eastern Time. Look at the reaction. Look at how the market digests the fear, because tomorrow won't be random. The market already knows what it wants to do. And in the morning it will stop whispering and start speaking.